Let's take a tour of the Vibrante-Node interface, the creative space where your ideas come to life. On the left, you'll find the node library. Here you can browse, search, and drag nodes onto your canvas. Every building block you need is just a click away. The center of the screen is your main canvas. This is where you design, connect, and visualize your workflows. To pan around, just click and drag the middle mouse button. Zoom in and out by pressing Ctrl key on the keyboard and the mouse wheel for a closer look or a big picture view. Press F to focus on selected nodes or recenter the canvas instantly. At the bottom, you see the event log. This is your real-time feedback center, showing execution results, errors, and connection events as you work. Up top, the toolbar gives you quick access to essential actions, running your workflow, switching themes, exporting code, and more. With these tools at your fingertips, you can navigate, build, and experiment with ease. The interface is designed to keep you in the flow, so you can focus on creating, not searching for buttons.